Hey guys, let's go over Dogecoin. So we've got a lot of people looking to buy Dogecoin, and I'll show that to you guys. I was kind of surprised at how many people are looking to buy. We're going to go over the emotional index, the long for short trades, the market cap strength, trades in favor, well institutional smart money, support resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and we're going to end the day with a trade setup. Guys, I want to talk about this in the beginning so you guys are aware of this. I am going live with all of our members today from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time over Zoom. So all of you guys who have membership, those of you guys who do not, snag this right now. We'll be going live today, and all you guys have to do is once you sign up, click this link right here, the inner circle, where you guys are going to be able to join me there. And again, it's 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And those of you guys who have membership, we will be recording this and posting it on the site. We are talking about USDT. We're talking about the crazy things in the market. And I'm going to be opening up for a Q&A session today from all of you guys. Last time we had people who signed up literally in the morning, and they were able to ask questions that literally like this afternoon. So pretty awesome, guys. We're also going to be going over today the indicators. I'll tell you about that, but I want to also show you guys what's happening on Coinbase as far as people buying this thing. Oh, it's pretty crazy. We're sitting at 122 wins and 1 loss. Luna was our 1 loss, and we're doing really well, and the account's looking still really healthy. We have one of the healthiest accounts. 150,000 is break even, and we're at about 78,000. We have not lost all of our money like a lot of people have because we use good risk management. Guys, Dogecoin, let's dive in. We're seeing emotional people getting into this market, guys. They're selling off. But when emotions are fearful and anxious, you're going to see Wells institutions jumping into the market, buying up the demand of a lower price, and they're going to be shooting this thing back up. Okay, look at this right down here. Normally we've got price action on. I guess I can keep it on for this analysis. Not a big deal. But here's what I want to show you guys. We're on the daily time frame. Price is going down. Wells are selling into the market, and trend exhaustion is low. I'm like a broken record on this, guys, but you just have to understand how this actually works. When this green line moves down, because we literally coded this to look at transactions, okay? Volume and transactions. We're like, we need to see what's happening with larger transactions. Are they more majority selling or are they majority buying? When they're selling, they're going to start seeing the market move back down. But when we get to this lower section down here, and if you guys want to, you can even come down here and throw on, pretend there are a bunch of valleys. Let's put on a horizontal line right here, okay? When you start seeing Wells get down to this area, they're going to stop selling, guys. They're going to start buying back up because this is coded down here to look at historical data of when is the market looking to move back up. This alone is how people make money. Like, I want to clarify some things, guys. This channel is all about 3 things: risk management, entries, and exits. We don't do a lot of news because the news is manipulative and it's the number one source of manipulation. But we try to master 3 things: really good risk management, entries, and exits. Period. Like, that's it. So looking at this, we have these tools that are literally helping us say, okay, look, trend exhaustion's low, well money flows low. We're looking for moves back up. And this is why I've been bullish on crypto lately. I do believe we're going to start seeing these moves back up. And you guys have potentially a few days left to snag some of these altcoins before we see some moves back up. Bitcoin sitting at a massive level of support here. Yes, we thought this was going to happen, a little bit of a consolidation here, but overall, we are looking for a move up in the overall markets because of things that we're seeing. And I'm also going to show this to you from all the people buying. So guys, use these indicators to scalp the markets if you would like, because anybody here, let me go to the 4-hour and show this to you guys. If you guys are scalping with these indicators, you're looking for trend exhaustion to be low, well money flow to be low. The only time well money flow was low was right around here. If you guys got into this trade here, you are looking for, do you guys remember, 3 to 4% profit. Nobody got in at the bottom, nobody got in at the top. But if you're looking at this, on this move right here, well money flow low, you're looking to get in, you're looking to exit. You are only going for 3 to 4%. And you guys know I've said this, the 4-hour is the best time frame. I showed you guys once on the 5-minute and the 1-minute for Luna, but the 4-hour is the best, okay? Watch this. If that happens again, you guys are looking for trade setups. Congratulations, real quick, to everyone who took the DOT trade we called out yesterday. You guys won that. We already had email reports coming in saying, Travis, thanks for the call. Already won 3% on that trade. So good job, guys. Get the indicators to predict the next market moves. They're in the description. They're 84% off. You guys have, I believe you have like 12 days left. At the end of May, we're going to be upping the price. Don't miss that opportunity. Next time trend exhaustion's high, well money flow is high, I'm watching for the move back down on Doge, which will most likely put us at the ascending resistance here, right about, I would say at about 13 to 14 cents. And then that's where I'm looking for the move back down. I don't think it's going to go all the way back down. I think it's going to be a short move, and then we're going to see this move continue because of things I'm about to show you. All right, now let's move over here. There's our May sale. I'll talk about that later. I want to go to the front page and go to Dogecoin. I want to show this to you guys. Emotionally, we're coming out of a fearful section. When the market's been fearful here before, we are seeing market moves up here. Do you guys see this? This is showing us engaging what retail traders are feeling every morning in the market. And I love looking at this because it tells us, hey, what retail traders feel, they're going to provide the liquidity for whales, and whales are going to be buying when retail traders are fearful and selling. As far as Bitfinex over here, guys, looking at this, long trades, they're staying steady. Short trades, they're staying steady. But I want to show you something that's happening on Coinbase. Look at Coinbase right now on Doge. Let me show this to you guys. Dogecoin right here, and we pulled this order book out to as far as it can possibly go. Okay, we're going to, actually, I'm sorry, you got to click the minus. This is what we call a buy wall. Now, it's not as strong as the buy wall I just showed you guys on EOS. EOS is crazy. Do you guys want to see EOS real quick just to cover a couple coins here? Look at this. Do you guys think EOS is going to go up soon? Well, there's a ton of money trying to purchase this right now. Okay, let's go back over to Doge. Take a look at Doge, and we see somewhat of the same thing. We have a lot more people in the market buying this than they're looking to sell. This is volume transactions, guys. This is the amount of volume, millions over here, that are trying to buy at the certain prices here. You can see over here at 84 cents, we've got a huge, sorry, it's going to move around on me a little bit here, but we've got a lot of money over here that's looking to buy this thing. There's more of a demand to buy this than there is to sell. This is bullish news, guys, okay? Look over here. Market cap strength. Yes, market cap is moving down, but it is staying relevant to price, which is okay. It's healthy. The green line is the heartbeat of the cryptocurrency, okay? You do not want to see price go like this, and you don't want to see the green line go like that. That is very bad news, okay? That means people are selling while retail traders are getting abandoned to the upside. It's probably going to see a drop, all right? Let's take a look at this down here. Trades in favor. Those of you guys who have been watching our metrics, the greatest long trade was taken right over here, and that was correlated to this drop right there. So if you guys got in here, like I already showed you guys, you already made your scalping trade easy, or you're in a dollar cost average entry, or potentially you are just holding for the next 3-4 years, and you're just holding for the long term, okay? Look at this down here. Well, institutional smart money. The max amount of long trades for smart money was placed right here. And you guys can see this. Watch this metric every morning, guys. Look in the past. What was the aggressiveness like over here? Well, it was pretty strong, and right after that, it jumped back up here, okay? Looking at this over here, we are seeing this continual buying over here, and especially at the low. So this is why I'm telling you guys, I believe crypto is going to be seeing a turnaround here pretty soon. I wouldn't doubt if it's in the next 7 to 8 days we start seeing this, some hope back in the market saying, oh man, we're actually starting to move back up here and break some highs on 1, 2, 4 hour time frames. I do think that's what's coming back into the market. And I'll be covering that more in the overall video today. Excuse me, not the video, the live session we're going on with Zoom. So make sure you guys are joining over there. Okay, support, it's at 6 cents. 6.5 cents to be specific in here. A move down here, like I said on EOS, guys, if you watch that video, it's going to be a double bottom bounce. I really believe that. But we may not even head down that far because the greatest structure of support on Dogecoin has already been hit at 6 cents. It's correlated to this support over here. Again, this is why I believe long trades are best right now. Some people are emailing us. They're like, Travis, why don't you just close this trade because it's already losing? I'm like, no way. I literally had some people, I'm sorry for whoever commented this in the comments, but they're like, I'm selling everything and you should sell everything too. The next morning, like Mana jumped over 50% and the coins jumped over 20% the next morning. Imagine what that person was feeling like. They were just kicking themselves. Again, guys, prices this low, I don't sell anything. I am holding this, and if anything, I'm going to be buying it, okay? All right, take a look at this, and we're going to get you guys into a trade setup. Dollar cost average entries, you guys are doing great. Watch for another one to come out here. You're holding for 5 to 10 years. Here's what I want to talk about. The trade setup for a long trade. Scroll down, you guys will see it. I want to keep it private for our members. Let me show this to you guys. I'm sorry if I already went over this. I'm kind of morphing these videos together. This is the membership. We're going live 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today in Zoom. Just so you guys know, this is the link right there. Again, right there, Inner Circle Hangout. That's where you guys want to be today. And you'll get access to all the metrics and entries and exits for all the calls. Okay, back over to Doge. I want to show you guys how to get into this and manage this really well, which is how our account has done so well, where we actually still have money in our accounts, where a lot of people have lost everything. We still have money. Guys, we still have about $80,000. That's an incredible down payment on a home if we wanted to purchase it. And a lot of people lost that opportunity because they did not use risk management. Here's what you guys need to be doing, okay? I'm not a financial advisor, want to make that clear, but here's what we're doing. If you have $1,000 that you want to throw in a Dogecoin right now, We have something called the equator. Take the top, take the low. If we're below the middle point, use 3 buy limits. If we're above the 50% point, use 4 buy limits. So 3 buy limits on Dogecoin. Let's go. $1,000 into thirds is $333 at each buy limit. Okay, I'm showing this to you on Bitcoin, but same thing on Doge. Once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up in green in case the market explodes. Once your first buy limit is hit, okay? You guys can follow me in Telegram because I'm going to call exits on all the trades that we're in. And yes, we're holding some of these trades a little bit lower, and we have a 4th buy limit that has not got hit yet. But we're pretty close to getting back up here, and this can happen very fast in the market to move above our break even. We're calling an exit. Here's what I want you guys to do and watch out for. Everyone getting into trades today, simply watch for the trend exhaustion to be in the top red section. That's it. And well money flow to be high. Everyone who gets in here, I think you guys can secure on this single trade, just watching that trend exhaustion, about probably around, I would say around 40% you guys could secure. I don't think we can push all the way up here with this moving up to the ascending resistance, but I think about 40% is the potential we can see on here, just moving this back up. Okay? Now, why am I so adamant about that? It's because if you guys look at what's happened over here with these indicators, you need to understand their accuracy. It is ridiculous. It's like cheating in the market. Seriously, when this gets high and the trend exhaustion and well money flows high, wells are done buying and the trend is over exhausted. The actual, the literal structures of crypto are exhausted. And this is where we are seeing moves back down in the market. And this is why I tell you guys, you need to have these indicators to watch these, because those of you guys in short trades that you're taking, or those of you guys looking to exit your long trades, need to be aware of these indicators so you guys can actually watch what's happening before the market makes its moves. Okay, I'm just circling some in here so you guys can see this. There's a reason why I tell you watch this in the market, because when you see this, you are going to be looking for moves back down. Okay, I won't circle them all, but we're looking at this over here, we're looking at this here, and we're seeing the market move down there, seeing the market move down here. Okay, that is about a 40% trade you can look to take. If the market heads down further, you have 2 other buy limits to protect your money. Guys, it's going to get this. It's going to be a light bulb moment. You guys are someone's going to just say, okay, I get it now. I get it. The risk management is there. If we go down, I'm safe. If we go up, I make money. That is how you need to be feeling. It's the days of putting all your money into one crypto and just hoping that it goes up and making money is over. Stop it. We know it's not going to happen. Things can happen where coins can literally just disappear overnight like Luna. I hope that was a good testament that you guys can understand now that you cannot trust 100% any news that comes out or any coin. So 2 things must be paramount: risk management and diversification. You must make those 2 things paramount in trading, or you guys are going to you're open yourself up to losing all your money. You must be diversified. I'm diversified over here in the portfolio. Let me just clearly show you guys: EOS, Cardano, Doge, Solana, Polkadot, Chainlink, Avalanche. Guys, I have positions in all these. So if one crashes, I'm not liquidated and gone with all my money. Okay? I just want to drive this home today and hope you guys really enjoy this. Watch these indicators, scalp with them on the lower time frames. I think you guys will really like it. We've got guys over here scalping, and they're doing $150 into $1,000. This guy over here takes, $5,000 in the last week alone. He's using the indicators, and he's been undefeated with his trades. How is that possible? How are we 122 wins and 1 loss? It's because we have good risk management. Okay, the only trade that's lost is Luna, and everyone in the world lost it. What does that say about this trading strategy? It works really well. Okay, so just sharing some things with you guys. It's really fun. This guy down here, he's making about $4,000 a month using the trend exhaustion and price per money flow. Okay, he's like, I signed up with your membership using the trend exhaustion, price per money flow. I showed you guys. I'm making about $4,000 a month. It's crazy. These indicators are on sale right now. Here's where you guys can access them. Let me end this video right here. The May sale is going to give you guys 84% off all of our indicators. You can't get our indicators lower than this. So this is just the best sale you can get. And we are going to be upping the price at the end of this month in May. Okay? So make sure you guys snag it today. The 3 that you really need are these right here, the ones that I use every day on my analysis. And then the Forex indicators, never been coded on TradingView before. You guys will get those, as well as the pressure gauge, the jackpot indicator is what we call it. You guys will be getting this. All the indicators are a one-time purchase, lifetime access. Just enter coupon code SAVEMONEY and you guys will get these. This will correlate to money for you guys. I really believe that, because we've seen a ridiculous amount of testimonials over here of people using our indicators, and we probably have one of the longest testimonial lists online for indicators and strategy. Like, it is kind of ridiculous how many testimonials we have of people just getting in these markets using our tools. Look at this guy. As being said, I'm around 10,000 this week and 40,000 in the last 3 weeks. Okay, some of these are bull market moves. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, but like this is pretty insane what people are able to do. $5,000 in the last week. My portfolio is all green despite the dip. The metrics rock. See, even in a dipping market, their portfolio is green. Why? It's because the risk management takes over, guys, and it saves you when the market goes down. I'm literally teaching this principle. It's a $1 billion hedge fund right now. And I'm like, look, you have to look at risk management and diversification first. And then, guys, look to profits. All right. I love you. I will see you guys all on the Inner Circle Hangout from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today. Just grab a membership. That will give you your ticket into the call every single month. Click here. The Zoom link is open for you guys, and I will see you guys later today on the Zoom call. I love you guys. God bless you. And if you have any questions, let me know at btradeconfident@gmail.com. The indicator cell is in the description of the video, as well as the metrics that you guys can access with the membership is in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. Snag those, guys. Click those links, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.